I'm gonna record this but also use this for my blog. I got some candy, even though I just ate a bunch of candy for Halloween. I'm waiting at the bus stop. I just went to the doctor to get my ear flushed because I could not hear, and I was almost getting used to it, but now that I can hear, like, taking things for granted. Also, my knee's been acting up, been hurting on and off since July. I'm gonna get that situation fixed. Hopefully I don't have to do PT. I'm trying to vlog without looking stupid. Whatever, I don't care. I do. Pretend like I'm FaceTiming someone, but I'm not, because I'm not. Hey, in my purple robe, feeling kind of lazy. So now I am about to start cooking dinner at 8 p.m. Am I gonna talk to this? Hi. This is what I look like literally on a daily basis with my scarf, which either is my black scarf or my pink one. Some type of house jacket in the wintertime. Really. I got my purple Barney robe on. I'm gonna be cooking chili. I'm not gonna film the whole thing. Yay. I'm going to show the beginning and then the end. I have to do a lot. I should have had my rice going while I was watching the concert, but I was like, no, I don't feel like starting to cook before. That was wrong. I only really have like one burner. Like this burner, I call it a demon burner. It needs to be clean. It boils stuff on low and it just sucks. This is my only good burner. I wiped it down some. These burners I've never used because I don't have a pot small enough to fit on them. I need to get one. I'm going to start my rice on this nice burner and then transfer it to the demon burner and hope that it does not burn my rice, because I'd rather my rice be a little bit crunchy or crispy than have my chili burnt. That's what I'm doing. All right, I got my rice going with a little tiny baby bay leaf in there. Here's some update. I'm sauteing some bell pepper and some onions. Gonna add some garlic once I cut it. Brown. It smells really good right now, mainly because I put in some ancho chili powder, and then I might also add in chili powder. This looks okay so far on the top, but it's probably burnt on the bottom. Still browning. Beans, lentils in here. I need to post this back so like this can keep cooking. You guys should have saw the struggle I went through because I don't have a pepper cracker. Pepper, whatever they're called. I was over beating that with a knife and it's just so loud. And it's like, I don't even know what time it is, so I got a timer on both things. Almost done. Here we go, taste test. Oh my god. Hot. It's good, but lentils need a little bit more. Little bastards. Oh my god. So I burnt my tongue. What I thought was a lentil was actually a peppercorn, because as I said, I was struggling to crunch up my peppercorns, so I ended up throwing some whole ones in there, so I was a little crunchy peppercorn. I might have made this too spicy. Oh my god, did I get something in my eye? Oh my god. Okay, let me go check out my eye before I like die. The real question is, do you eat chili with a fork or a spoon? Here we go. Oh, look at that. Freaking demon burger. Staying true to its name. Like, it's not sticking because I let it sit 15 minutes, but it's crispy. 10 out of 10. Here it is, final. I am about to go see my friend Layla. I'm gonna edit that out. She doesn't want her name to be said. I keep forgetting that it is not, light doesn't stay out till 9 p.m. anymore. Like, it's dark outside. I'll be walking in the dark. It's gonna be cold. Little outfit, check. This is one of my favorite tops. I think I got it from like Ross or something like that a long time ago. And then I thrifted these jeans. They have a little hole. I'm gonna regret that hole when I'm walking in the cold in like a few minutes, but whatever. Maybe it'll help me walk faster or something. I don't know. I'm gonna ask Layla if she wants to be in my vlog or not. By now, my first fall half of the vlog should be out. I ended up stopping at like Halloween instead of going to like the 5th, because technically the 5th and the 6th were like actually half of fall. I was tired of editing it, and also it was like almost 15 minutes. Cut it to 10 minutes and then like went back in, edited to like the music or whatever, and that shrunk it down even more to like 9 minutes. Yeah, that comes out tomorrow on the 10th. I don't know what day it is. Yeah, Here we go. Okay, hey guys. This is Layla. Hi. And we're, even though it's like freezing cold right now, we're going to get an ice cream sandwich. That's what we're doing. I think it is. What's this place? Is it like a general store? Yeah, for about a year. I like it's good. Sorry. Alright, what flavors did you get?
I got the cookies maple s'more, and then the ice cream is cookies and cream.
And then I got lemon poppy seed, and then cookies and cream because being basic with cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream is so good.
It is.
Yeah, watch out, salt and straw.
For real, Molly Moon ice cream is where it's at. I just got some free breakfast, and I think it's so funny because remember in my video how I talked about I like dress, my little TED talk. I think it's so funny that half the time I'd be dressed like I'm about to like go to the gym. No, I ain't going to the gym. I haven't stepped foot in the gym one day this year, so. But I like to look like I'm going. About dressing, like I like dressing like I'm going to the gym, but I don't. Tell me why someone thought that I go to the gym. Okay, now that is just like, it's so funny and it's just like hilarious right now that I got asked if I go to the gym. I'm like, no, I don't go to the gym, but I look like I do. This was more like, I just woke up, I'm trying to go get this free thing. Let me throw this stuff on attire, but if it's working for a double-ass gym attire, hey, I can't complain. Alright, I don't know exactly what I'm making. This is gonna be a real like F around and find out video. Udon, earplug, or the Trinity for Thanksgiving. Ooh. So I'm gonna do some random stuff together, like some mirin, some soy sauce, soy sauce. I really only love it because it's salty. This is why you don't try to multitask. It does not work. I've made a hole for my weeds. Alright, I'm ending it there. Just finished doing my hair and eating a snack slash lunch, but more snack. I am tired. My knee oddly is okay if I stand for a while, but as soon as I bend it, it hurts. Oddly, I'm finding it okay laying on my bed like this. It's not hurting. About to do some work. I got accepted into this thing, so I'm gonna be working on a project, which is good. Job searching right now is a bit stagnant because, like, you know, it's holiday season, about to start popping up in like these companies. I don't know, they don't even know what they're doing, so I definitely don't know what they're doing. So that's what I'm doing. God, I'm going to the store, not because I actually need to, but mainly because I haven't been outside the house in a long time because my knee took me out. And maybe this is a bad idea and I'll regret doing this. We'll see. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. I kind of feeling like lazy about cooking. I've already shortened down what I'm gonna cook, so it's gonna be something basic. I'm pretty much gonna be eating whatever I eat year round. I'm gonna be making a cinnamon roll with my sister. I'm just going to go get some more butter. I have some, but I mean, I might as well just have some more. So I'm gonna go get some more and then maybe some ice cream. I don't know. Ice cream at the store is like $5-6. It'd be crazy. And so maybe I'll get one of the small ones that are cheaper. I don't know. It's stupid. Inflation, capitalism. Oh my god. I put in 2 tablespoons.
For butter?
Yes.
So did I.
Hey Google, how many teaspoons are in 2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons is equivalent to 60.
It's Thanksgiving. It is not feeling like Thanksgiving. Just put my little hen in. Only reason why I'm doing my hen is because I already took it out to defrost. I didn't want to refreeze it, and honestly, like, as soon as I finish my leftover teriyaki, I'm not gonna have anything to eat, and I'm gonna be like, why didn't I cook my hen? So I just did it, and that way I could warm up my half of a pie. Let me show you my pie. I got half of a pumpkin pie and some ice cream. Nice. Well, do you refrigerate pie?
Sorry, I don't have any information about that.
Hey Google, are you supposed to refrigerate pie?
Sorry, I don't have any information about that.
Hey Google, do you refrigerate a pie after baking it?
Sorry, I don't have any information about that.
I can't stand her. And burn my face. Stop. Gonna baste it a bit and then tint it. If you're watching this, hope you had a nice Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate, then I hope you had a nice day off. And if you didn't have a day off, and if you're in a place where you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, then hope you had a nice Thursday. When you miss the bus, literally you see it going by. So now you gotta walk to your PT appointment. Yep. Actually nice fit. Are we going to some Halloween thing? And there's supposed to be some like ugly sweater thing, but I don't have any Halloween stuff. Halloween? I mean Christmas. What the hell? This is what I'm wearing. Bye. Cold outside. And I'm making waffles. JK. Meow. 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 Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Last breakfast of 2022. Here we go.